Women are the largest untapped reservoir of talent. After all, there is no limit to what a woman can ever achieve. So today we have Ankita Sheel Gupta, who makes this quote look so real. With a background of chartered accountancy for 18 years, to being the founder and the chief mompreneur of a big community of 300 plus women known as New Age Mompreneur. She brings so many women together to connect, to collaborate, and become the champion of their own professions. Ankita knows the art of balance between dreams, ambition, and motherhood, managing two toddler twins, and with this community, giving a platform to so many women to come together and shine every single day. So let's welcome Ankita. Hi, Ankita. So happy to have you on my podcast today and from my series From the Heart. So, what I want to ask you is you manage so many things together. And in today's time, being so multi talented, what challenges do you face and how do you manage being the new age mompreneur so flawlessly?
So obviously, Divya, it's not flawlessly. There are days which are very, very hard, and I'm very open to talking about it. My life mantra is very, very simple. Show up, show up for kids, show up for work, show up for people who matter to you. If you show up, things will automatically happen. And I know I've seen you showing up at a lot of places. So I know when you be there, even on a hard day, you will find solutions. Second mantra is very simple again, celebrate small wins. As mom, as women, we sometimes somewhere we are perfectionists. So हमें लगता है कि ये नहीं, इस पे मैं compliment क्यों लूँ? मेरे को let me achieve little big thing.
Yeah.
So I've learned to accept compliments. I've learned to celebrate small wins.
Hmm.
जब हम 30 से 31 मेंबर हुए, I celebrated it.
How lovely. Even that
Because
one
one member
yeah.
counts.
Yeah.
Every time we've opened a new chapter in our community, we celebrated. We made it a grand event. Because for us, these tiny, tiny milestones are very, very big.
Very.
And at home, अगर कुछ दिन होता है, you are having a hard day. For me, if I pass through that day only, that is a big celebration for me.
How lovely.
Like not that कि उस day पे मुझे 10 चीजें करनी थी मैंने अचीव नहीं. I at the end of the day I will still think about my wins rather than losses in the day कि मैंने ये नहीं किया. I really spend 5 minutes with me in the morning, in the night. In the morning, trying to plan my day, what I want to do, and in the evening, even if things are not achieved, I will say कि at least मैंने ये दो चीजें तो कर ली ना.
How
It was such a
beautiful.
hard day.
Yes.
So I think as women we overburden ourselves.
True.
So when we take that burden away from us, then people will start trusting us also more.
True. So basically, it's so important to live a life of gratitude, is what
Yes.
you mean to say. That, if we have gratitude, then we can actually count our blessings and, keep our worries aside. That's such an important thought. So tell me something on, because you've been so positive in life, but there was a time in life where you were completely lost. And that was when you lost your father.
Yeah.
So I'm sure it was one of the most challenging times in your life. But between showing the world the networking side of Ankita, is the real dad's daughter as strong as she portrays it to the world? Or there are days when you're completely lost and broken and you really don't know how to navigate your journey ahead?
So it's a mixed bag. The way I would say when you go through a grief as big as somebody who was the cheerleader, who was the sole purpose in your life, it is very hard. Like
Yeah.
people say, with time things will get better. It doesn't get better at all. With time, you just learn to accept that this is the God way, and you can't physically see the person, but in some ways you can still feel there are signs that you can still feel that the person's energy is still there.
Okay.
And also the amount of love that person has given you is actually shown in the grief because you miss that person
Yes.
so much because you got so much love.
Absolutely.
So it's also the gratitude you should show towards that person, that you have shaped me in so many ways.
Yes, that I'm grieving you so much. They
Yes.
say na, grief is also an expression of showing how much love you
Yes.
have for that person.
Yes. So
Yeah.
for me, the most important thing is that he raised us to be strong.
Love.
He always raised us to be strong women who have voices. So I want to be that person.
Hmm.
In spite of having some messy days, there were still days that I can't sleep at night because I'm just remembering and crying myself.
Hmm.
But then next day, if I have a meeting, I have an event, I don't cancel it. I pull myself up and say that I have to show up because I am my dad's daughter,
Yes.
and he would have done the same thing for me.
Absolutely.
So that's what I do. Little things that help you carry on with your day. It's still very new.
Hmm.
When he passed away, I had my most important event in 4 weeks.
I know.
Rakhi exhibition,
Yes.
which is the biggest event, and
Yeah.
I wanted to cancel it. And my
Hmm.
mom said that no, he wanted you to do it, and you
Yes.
will do it. And
Yeah.
that day, the way I was there,
I know.
from
I know.
morning to evening, I was there at the exhibition.
Yes.
I didn't run away. I
Hmm.
was just there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm sure when that exhibition became a big
Yeah.
success, which it did, how much pride you must have felt that day just being your dad's daughter. Right.
It makes you really happy,
Absolutely.
and somewhere
See,
you
this
know.
is the least you can do
Yeah,
for
and
them.
somewhere you know that he's watching you.
Yes.
If you have that connection, you still will feel that connection.
Yes, yes. So thank you so much, Ankita. Here's to celebrating the real dad's daughter always and forever. And you make us believe that, every woman has the power to see dreams. And only if we dream, we can make it big. Because even in today's world, it is so important to believe that woman's voice can still make a big change. So more power to you, and thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you.
Thank you, Divya.